If you want to learn how to use GOG, download free games, and get them installed on your PC the right way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step, from finding a game on GOG to claiming it, opening it in GOG Galaxy, and installing it from your owned games library. This is a simple guide, but if you've never used GOG before, this will make everything much easier. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. GOG is a digital game store where you can buy games, claim free games, and manage your library without dealing with unnecessary hassle. Once the homepage loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll find the game you want. Click on search, then type the name of the game you're looking for. You can search for a specific title or even browse free games if you want to see what's available right now. After you type the game name, press enter and take a look at the results. When you find the game you want, click on the game listing to open its product page. On the game page, you'll usually see the main purchase button, which may say, buy now if it's a paid game, or it may lead you into a free checkout flow if the game is currently free. In this example, you would click buy now or continue through the free game process depending on the offer. If the game is free, the next step is to click get for free. This is the part where GOG adds the game to your account, so make sure you're signed in before continuing. Once you confirm the free checkout, GOG will prepare the order and take you to the completion page. From there, you'll see the option to install the game. Now, if you already have GOG Galaxy installed on your computer, click Open in GOG Galaxy. That will launch the desktop app and send the game directly into your library. If you do not have GOG Galaxy installed yet, click Download GOG Galaxy first. Installing GOG Galaxy is helpful because it gives you a central place to manage your games, install them, update them, and keep track of your library more easily. Once GOG Galaxy is installed and opened, sign in with the same account you used on the website. Then go to your owned games section. This is where every game you've claimed or purchased will appear in your library. Find the game you just added, click install, and wait for it to download. After the download finishes, you can launch the game and start playing right away. That's really all there is to it. The basic flow is, go to GOG, search for the game, open the game page, claim it or buy it, open it in GOG Galaxy, and install it from your owned games library. Once you understand that process, using GOG becomes very straightforward. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.